guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Shopkins vending machine. So let's get this baby open. Which comes with these two exclusive Shopkins. It's chicken chocolate and the pretzel. And this is it comes with two Shopkins, one storage tin, and a collector's guide. So let's find out. Let's try and open this without scissors. And it's already open. And it is a metal tin. And you see this? Just gonna fix the back. Come off! Oh! So in it, there's that. Here's the vending machine. These are just little fake ones. And then we have the real ones. Whoa! It's a chicken chocolate, who is, if you can tell, it's not like there aren't these, but, you know, they're different colors. Chicken chocolate. And the pretzel, who is coming up next. Nice little pink. Here's the pink pretzel. Oh, whatever. That looks garbage. So it's a little special. Let's see. Oh, I think this is season 1. Yes, because it's season 1, because it's got machine mushroom. Yeah. So this is our first season 1. Yay! I also have wobbles, but you know, a friend gave me that. So I threw away the shelves. Luckily, that was the thing that didn't make it into the trash. So, yay! Oh, ow! My toe. So, this isn't actually supposed to come out. And this could actually be a nice pencil case. You could use, well, not a pencil case, but you could bring this to school and use it. And now, let's get up there. And then, if you saw the cool fridge video, which was a very bad one, sorry about that, we'll just grab these two. Ooh, I'm a limited edition too, huh? I'm a limited edition. I mean, I'm exclusive. Don't I? So that was the vending machine. Very quick. Wait, the Shopkins muskets. Dun dun dun! They're traps! And if you want, you can keep this. A cardboard? I might. And here's the Shopkins list, which I'll show you. Baker. Oh my god. I want her. Delicious. Sorry if it's a little blurry. Chocolate. Wobbles, I have him. Very tough. Health and beauty, toothbrush, bubble, nail polish, paw pizza. And these are Papa Tomato, limited edition. Sunny Screen. Wow, I've gotten that one, but I gave it away. Cupcake Queen, Buttercup, Tina Tuna, and Twinkie Winkies. So yeah, that's just a little thing of the Shopkins list. There's like Googie and stuff. So yeah, this is season 1. Oh, what is the pretzel? little pretzel. So his name is Pretzel. Okay, I like that. It's cool. Yeah, so that's all done. And on to reviewed. Bye, guys.